Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, episode 7.3. In the last episode, we read and analyzed from aut subito through demonstrant. Here, we will cover from dum through iniecit. Dum haec geruntur, fremitus terribilis auditur, simul monstrum horribili speciae procul conspicatur, eius conspectus timorem maximum omnibus iniecit. What has happened thus far? Then the king set a certain date and got everything ready. When that day arrived, Andromeda was led to the shore and in plain view of everyone tied to a cliff. All were weeping her fate, nor did they hold back tears. But suddenly, while they wait for the beast, Perseus runs up, and when he saw the tears, he sought for the reason of their sorrow. The people explained the whole matter and showed him the girl. While these things are going on, dum haec geruntur, a horrible sound is heard, fremitus terribilis. At the same time, the beast, terrible in appearance, is seen at a distance. The subordinating conjunction dum here with the indicative indicates a parenthetical. The subject is haec, which is neuter plural and nominative. It's a demonstrative adjective being used as a pronoun, and it refers to all of the previous activity, while these events are happening, geruntur, and this is a third plural, present, indicative passive, from the third conjugation verb gero gerere. While these things are happening, fremitus terribilis auditur. Fremitus is the subject, its fourth declension, its masculine singular and nominative, fremitus, fremetus. It's modified by terribilis, which is the same gender number and case, and means able to inspire fear. A terrible roaring. This is cognate with the verb fremo, fremere, which means to make a growling or roaring sound. And fremitus is the subject, as I've said, of auditur, which is a third singular, present indicative active, from the fourth conjugation verb audio, audire. At the same time, simul, the monstrum. That's this one here. It's the beast. Monstrum is neuter, singular, and nominative, second declension, the subject of conspicatur. The creature is seen, and it's a creature horribili speciae. This is feminine, singular, and ablative of description. Speciaes is a fifth declension noun. Here it's modified by horribili, the same gender number case, and it's an ablative of description. Terrible in appearance, is spotted, conspicatur, procul, far off. Conspicatur is a third singular, present indicative passive, from the third conjugation verb conspicio, conspicere, like so. And finally, the appearance of it, the sight, the conspectus eius meaning the creature, the monstrum, it introduced iniecit, the greatest fear, timorem maximum, into everyone. Conspectus then is the subject in the masculine singular nominative. It's a fourth declension noun, conspectus, conspectus, like so. It's the subject of iniecit, which is a third singular, perfect, and it means to introduce or to put into, to throw into. It gives us the English word inject. The object of iniecit, this perfect verb, is timorem, which is in the masculine singular and accusative. It's a third declension noun, timor, timoris, modified by the adjective maximum, which is a superlative adjective. Inspired or introduced the greatest fear, direct object, where? Into all persons, omnibus, masculine plural and dative, and that is indirect object.